Keon Devin Arong Medallo with high honors. He is the recipient of the following subject proficiency award: Best in English, Best in Mathematics, Best in Filipino, Best in Science. He will also receive the following special award: Academic Excellence Award, Star Reader Award in English, Star Reader Award in Filipino, Personality Award for joining the United Nations Organization 2023, and Performing Arts Award for competing during the English Week Poem Competition.